Hi everyone, it's Wayne. You know, sometimes as fishermen, we buy what we need to buy. Sometimes we buy what we don't need to buy. Sometimes you just see something really cool looking. I got me a fillet knife from HOSHANHO. I hope I'm doing their name justice. Um, but this is a sweet looking knife. Obviously a fillet knife. Got a great wooden handle on it. Nice. And look at that grip, and just such a sweet fitting knife. And you all know how you do it. It's a stiff one, okay? It's got some flex. Bear down on that spine, it's going to give some, but it's pretty stiff, and I've got to where I like that. Uh, Here's the labeling on it. Hope you can see that. But yeah, HOSHANHO, and this, this is, I mean, just that little touch like that, not sliding, just a touch, it feels like it's going to cut my skin. So this is for serious business. Um, you know how people give tests uh, of cutting paper? No, forget it. Ain't happening here. Not with my new knife. I'll tell you, I guarantee you this will cut paper. I don't have to prove anything to you, but yeah, it's weighty, hefty. Uh, can't wait to catch some fish and use it. But it's a beautiful knife, and sometimes you just get stuff because you want it. I've got other fillet knives. Man, this looks so cool. Anyway, you can get you one. Bye now.